How to fix headphones stopped working, no sound in Windows 10. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix your headphones when it stops working or no sounds in your Windows 10. First of all, go to the search bar and type this PC. Right click and click on Manage. Now go to Device Manager and locate Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Expand it and right-click on the high-definition audio device or any audio device you're using. Then click on Disable Device first and then uninstall the device. After this, unplug the headphones and restart your entire PC. Then the Windows will automatically solve your problem. This is how you can fix headphones stopped working, no sounds in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.